Welcome to our IDCube Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how you use Save Data As in IDCube Pro. This feature allows you to save the data as a variety of files, including IDCube format, stacked TIFFs, Envy, video, and Excel. So to start, you want to go to File, and then navigate to the Save Data As section. You'll then be prompted to select one of 5 options. So to start, I'm going to demonstrate how you save the data in the IDCube format. So for example, if you have done any cropping or filtering and you just want to use the filtered image for further data analysis, you might consider saving that so you don't reset it for some reason. So click on Save in IDCube format, and you'll be asked to select a directory to save it in, as well as give it a name. And then you can click Save. If you would like to change where it's located, you can click Change. And then you'll be prompted saying that it was successfully saved. For the next option, I'll choose the stacked images. You will be then asked to select a folder for it to go into. I'll keep it in this converted folder here. And again, you'll be prompted saying that it was complete. Envy, video, they all work the same way as the TIFF. They'll just ask you to choose a place. Excel, you have 2 options. You can save the entire data cube, or you can save the current image. You'll be prompted to choose a name and then also where you want it located. So here I'm going to say and it's being saved as an Excel, and you'll click Save. And then you will show this prompt saying that it was successfully exported. You can then go back to any of your folders to find the data that you saved.